Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. As we enter into a new week, a new trading day, let me bring before you the trading levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty for the day, that is 7th February 2022. So let me start with the Nifty levels for the day. So Nifty ended lower on Friday at around 17,515 levels. So the central pivot range is very narrow because we had a very stable trading day on Friday. Now, if Bank Nifty Nifty opens higher because of the stellar SBI and Bank of Baroda and other results, there is a chance that it can touch, if you see, it can touch around 17,601. Yeah, if it opens higher. Currently, the Dow futures are indicating very flat and SGX Nifty is lower. If it opens higher, there is a chance that it can touch 17,600 odd. If it's continuing its momentum, there is a chance that market can reach up to 17,686. If the market opens lower because of profit booking after the results, so it can uh, close below the pivot, then there is a chance that market can fall to 17,446. Yeah, if it does not sustain, the next level is 17,376. So these will be the levels for Nifty today. If the market open flat, it may open at around the pivot levels or lower than the pivot. Now let me show you the what SGX Nifty is indicating. SGX Nifty is around 17,477. So it is indicating a gap down of around 25 to 30 points. Now, what you must do in Nifty if it opens at this level? 17,500 is a very crucial level. So as long as it does not break, as long as it does not break 17,5, let me mark it, 17,541, better not take any long trade. Okay, now let me bring before you the Bank Nifty levels. Bank Nifty, so the Bank Nifty chart is here. Okay, see, compared to previous days, central pivot range is on a downward trajectory. You can see central pivot range here, here, and you see today's central pivot range very narrow, very narrow. Now, if Bank Nifty opens higher because of SBI and Bank of Baroda results, so it can open at around 39,190. That's a very crucial level. If it opens higher, then there is a chance that if it sustains above 39,190, it can go as high as 39,575. So that is the second resistance. And on the lower level, if there is a profit booking after the results, so there is a chance that yeah, it can fall up to 38,642. So this is the first support, 38,642, and the next support is around 38,478. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. So what is your strategy for the Bank Nifty? Yeah, if Bank Nifty opens higher, probably because of the Dow futures flat and SGX futures lower, there can be a profit booking. Yeah, so if it does not sustain above 39 190, you can place a sell order, yeah, and wait for a target of 38,642. Yeah, let me come to the FII figures. On Friday, on Friday, the FIIs were net sellers. They sold to the tune of 2,267, and DIs were buyers, meager amount, 621. So Friday, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened closed lower. So trade with caution today. Yeah, today or tomorrow will be a trending day, because 9th we have got the RBI policy meet. So therefore, the best strategy for today is you take the trade after 9:45. So thank you for watching option trading ki duniya. So I'll be coming up with the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for almost every trading day. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.